Welcome back to the online social studies class. We were doing the chapter States of Northern Plains. In continuation with the chapter, in this video we will cover Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand. We will begin with Delhi, that's on page number 75. Delhi, officially known as National Capital Territory of Delhi, is a city and a union territory of Indian containing New Delhi, the capital of India. It is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. It is a historical city. Why is it called a historical city? Now, historical site is an official location where pieces of political, military, cultural or social history have been preserved due to their cultural heritage value. Historic sites are usually protected by law, and famous historical places in Delhi are Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Purana Killa, Humayun Tomb, Jama Masjid, etc. There are various important tourist places in Delhi as well. Rajghat, India Gate, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Dolls Museum, Akshardham Temple, etc. These are the important tourist places, but there are many other tourist places in Delhi. Now, the state of Uttar Pradesh, your very own state. The Ganga basin covers the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. As you've already learned, the Ganga basin is in the middle, okay? That covers Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Now, Uttar Pradesh is the last state in the Ganga basin. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Occupation. Farming is considered the main occupation because Uttar Pradesh has a very fertile land. Both Ganga and Yamuna pass through the state. And the place where Ganga and Yamuna meet is called Sangam. Main crops. Now, Uttar Pradesh grows crops of sugarcane, wheat, rice, maize in large quantities. They produce many other crops as well, but these are the crops produced in large quantities. They also produce barley, millets, and oil seeds. And fruits like mango, guava, and banana are grown here in plenty, especially mango. Let's continue with industries. Sugar, textile, edible oil, chemical and engineering are the important industries. Now, Kanpur, as you must be knowing, is famous for leather industry. The Banarasi silk saris of Varanasi are world famous. And Muradabad is famous for brassware work. Now, Lucknow, your very own city, is famous for its chicken curry. Now, chicken curry, it's a technique of creation of chicken work. Now, chicken is delicate and artfully done hand embroidery on a piece of cloth. Weaving and ceramics are other important industries in Uttar Pradesh. Now, there are main industrial cities like Kanpur, Agra and Meerut. Dress. Traditional dress of men in Uttar Pradesh is dhoti, kurta and turban. Now, you must have not seen people wearing dhoti kurta turban in the city, but when you go in the outskirts or in the villages, people still wear dhoti kurta and turban. Women wear sari or ghagra choli and dupatta. Tourist places, the world famous Taj Mahal. I know you already know it. It's one of the seven wonders. Is at Agra. Fatehpur Sikri, Akbar's tomb at Sikandrabad, and the temples at Ayodhya, Mathura, and Varanasi are great tourist attractions. Lucknow and Prayagraj, earlier known as Allahabad, are also important cities. Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. It is the land of Buddha and Mahavir. Why do we call it the land of Buddha and Mahavir? We call it land of Buddha because Gautam Buddha attained his enlightenment in Bodh Gaya and gave his first sermon in Sarnath. Enlightenment, a statement of understanding something. And Mahavir was born in early part of the 6th century BC into a royal Kshatriya family in Bihar. The reason we call it the land of Buddha and Mahavir. Occupation. The main occupations of the people are farming and cattle rearing. Main crops: paddy, wheat, maize, sugarcane and jute. Now Muzaffarpur in Bihar is famous for its delicious lychees. Industries. Now Bihar has a number of cotton, sugar and jute mills. Beautiful tasha saris are made here. Bihar is also famous for its Madhubani folk art. The artists make colorful designs on cloth and walls of the houses. Now the craftsmen, those who make it of Bihar, also make intricate designs on brass and wood. Intricate means very complicated, or you can say detailed. Their working is very detailed when it comes to design. Dress. Women wear sari and blouse. Men in Bihar wear dhoti or pajama and kurta. Festivals. Now the main festivals celebrated in Bihar are Diwali, Dashera, Eid and Tej. And Chhath is considered as the most important festival for the people of Bihar. Tourist places. Now Nalanda in Bihar is one of the oldest centers of learning in India. Bodh Gaya, where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment, is an important Buddhist pilgrimage center. The reason they call it the land of Buddha. Patna, the capital of Bihar, is the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh, and Rajgir are also famous tourist places. Patna also has the famous Golghar, a huge ancient granary. Granary is a storehouse of threshed grain. Threshed means separate from corn or other crops. Let's continue with Jharkhand. It was created out of Bihar on 15th November 2000. It is also called the land of forest. The state is also known for its waterfalls, hills, and holy places. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The river Damodar flows through it. Make sure that you revise the chapter and read page number 75 and 76. Thank you.